Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's recipe is mango salsa and butter garlic spicy shrimps. Since we are dedicating this week only for mangoes, this is our recipe for today. Bismillah, let's begin. One mango cut and cubed. So all the vegetables and fruits I'm using are cut and cubed. One cucumber, one small red bell pepper, one onion, one tomato and some mint leaves. Now comes the spices. Salt to taste, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you don't like spicy, you can make it half teaspoon of cumin powder, and a juice of half lime. Just mix it really well and refrigerate it for around at least 1 hour. If you can keep it for 2 hours, that'll be much better. So that was mango salsa. Now we'll go to shrimps. I have some 100 grams of shrimps and I've added some salt to taste and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. So just have to mix it well and marinate it for at least half an hour, for 30 minutes inshallah. So let's start frying the shrimps. In a pan I have added some olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. You just have to make sure that the shrimps shouldn't be overcooked. Just fry it for 2 minutes. Don't overcook it. Especially for this dish, you have to, because this shrimps will be cooked again in the sauce. So if you fry it for long, that will be overcooked. It will become very, especially shrimps, you should never overcook it because it becomes very rubbery and hard. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also press the bell icon for the notification. So yeah, so now I've removed the prawns. As I said, I just fried it for like 2 minutes and I've removed it. Once I remove it, I'll be adding to the same oil some butter, maybe at around 1 tablespoon of butter. And I've added garlic. I've chopped the garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Saute it well and add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. So yeah, and saute it well and add juice of half lemon. So this spicy shrimp, it's not necessary you just have to have it with mango salsa. Okay, so I've added the prawns, and again I'll fry it for a minute or 2. So yeah, as I was telling, you can have this shrimp just alone with some garlic bread. It tastes yum with garlic bread. The sauce, you can just dip your bread in the sauce, the butter sauce, and have it. It will be yum 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 yum. So yeah, so as I fried, and the shrimps. Here goes your butter garlic spicy shrimps with mango salsa. You can have it with coconut rice or curd rice or with tortilla chips or just have it as a salad. So don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.